This video is insane, guys, as we literally got unreleased skins and infinite crown wins. This video is a banger, guys, and you guys do not want to miss it. Let's get to the video. Yo guys, what is going on? It's your boy Radius back with another banger, and in today's video, guys, we literally got insane crown wins. As you guys can see, I am using this glitch, and I literally have 6,969, and this is an insane glitch that I found. So make sure to stay till the end because this is absolutely crazy. And yes, of course, boys, we're on another daily upload streak. This is a banger, guys, and we also do have a custom background, custom this, custom V-Bucks, custom everything, and we also do have, you already know, we do have some custom skins. But before I show you guys how to do this, I just want to go over the item shop for you guys. If you guys haven't already seen it, this is a crazy item shop. There is some Star Wars items back in the game. So first of all, let's see, we have the Starfighter's glider, which is pretty sick in my opinion. We also do the Y-Wing glider, which is also pretty cool. And then we have the pickaxe bundle. This pickaxe is super sweaty. This pickaxe is very sweaty. And we also do have the set of skins with the Ray skin, the Finn skin, and then we do have the Sith Trooper skin. That's a pretty cool set in my opinion. Let me know if you guys do own that. And we also do the Kylo Ren skin. This is a pretty cool skin. Let me know what you guys think of the skin in the comments down below. And then we do have the Dark Side Emo, which looks pretty sick, as you guys can see. And then we have the Cuddle Team Leader, which is pretty cool. We also do have the Bloom skin, and Castaway Jonesy, the Chiara skin, and we have some emotes, and then we have this set. And that's basically the item shop. We have to do this pickaxe. Yeah. But I don't want to waste any more time here, guys. This is insane. But before I actually release a tutorial on this, I will release a tutorial on this and how to get all these crown wins, which is literally insane, guys. As you can see, we have 6,969 crown wins, which is like the record, and this is an insane glitch that I found. So as I said earlier, I will make a tutorial on how to do this once we get 200 likes on this video and we get 300 people using my supported creator code, which is code FCYT in the Fortnite item shop. So pop in code FCYT. And once we get 300 people using that code, I will check, and then I'll make a tutorial on this. So if we get 400 views on this video, and all of you guys like and use my supported creator code, I can make the tutorial as soon as tomorrow. It's honestly up to you guys, based on your support. And also, we have 2022 V-Bucks 1, 2, 3 levels. This is an insane glitch that I found. You guys don't want to miss out on this. A lot of people don't know how to do this, and I'm showing you guys right here. All I have to do is like the video and subscribe, and of course use the supporter creator code FCYT. And then one more time, guys, we do have 6,969, and obviously, guys, if you guys can turn on notifications so you guys can be updated when I actually post these tutorials, which is gonna be insane, guys. We also can join friends and flex our crown wins to them, which is pretty cool. I can join all these people. But yeah, guys, if I did show you guys earlier, as you guys can see, we do have some of these skins. These are unreleased skins. They're pretty sick, as you guys can wear them in the lobby, and you guys can also flex your crown win with these. And let's go into a game. I don't know if you can go into a game with this glitch, but let's try. Also, if you guys are still commenting the video, comment crown, and I will heart your comment. Just do it, or comment W. I'll heart your comment if you do that. I want to see how many people actually watch my videos through the whole video. But yeah, guys, it's not working going into a game, but I know you guys can do it. It's just not working for me right now. But this is an insane glitch, so make sure to like, subscribe, and like I said, if we get 300 people using my supported creator code, which is the code FCYT, and of course, if we get 200 people to like this video, or 200 people to subscribe to this video, I'll make a tutorial. And when I do make these tutorials, I do recommend turn on notifications so you don't miss it when I do post it. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. That's all I have for you guys. Peace.